Welcome back to coachingchief.com. Today we are going to look at a very important concept that is called the principle of moments. Those who have watched my previous videos, you've seen the tack, the couple, you've seen the moment of a force, you've seen what center of gravity is. Now it's time to look at one of the most important principles in the discovery of physics. So let's start with a simple scenario where we're having two students who are sitting on a seesaw. You're seeing that one student is possibly lifted higher than the other. This could be because of some reason. Maybe one is heavier than the other, and maybe the distance from our turning point is different. So the question is, we're having a seesaw, but then let's assume one of these two boys is at 200 newtons force. So let's assume the lady with a red hair is the one which is having 200 newtons. So if this lady sits at a distance of 1 meter from the pivot, where should the other kid who is 100 newtons sit to balance the pivot? Yes, this is our pivot. So this is the turning point. So if this guy here is weighing 200 newtons and this guy here is weighing 100 newtons. So by simple logic, this distance here will have to be 1 meter from our turning point, and then this distance here will have to be 2 meters from our turning point, such that the 200 times 1 will equal to the 2 times 100. So in this system, in this situation here, our kids are going to sit comfortably on the seesaw when it is in a balancing position. The other 200 times a distance of 1, this would be equal to 200. So the other person who is having a weight of 100, he will have to sit a distance which is twice, so that we are having these moments balanced. So for that system to be in a balance, the clockwise moments would be equal to the anti-clockwise moments, and that is what we call the principle of moments. If we have balance, if we need a system to be in balance, and what does balance mean? This is equilibrium. The moments in the clockwise have to balance the moments in the anti-clockwise.